Let's go for a ride, shall we? Putting our headlights on, look. Different ones. The other ones are shit. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another fantastic day on planet Earth. Two-stroke. Oh, give me some smell of that. I don't know what oils is running in that, but it's definitely not two-stroke oil. I'm going to find some rice. I've had to take drastic action on this battery because I can't charge the bloody thing. And the reason being is I can't get the cells balanced. I can't get them all to saturation voltage. One of them's sitting at about 3.1 volts. It's just bloody ridiculous. So I've had to bite the bullet. I'm going back. I'm changing from 26S to 24S. The top end I'm not bothered about. It should have the same power. Voltage is speed, you know, amps is power. Anything that does a top balance is a bag of shit in my eyes now. Now the active balance BMSs are out, so I've bought one. It's cost me about 80 quid, I think, which I'm not happy about because I can't afford it. Patreon link below. See, this is Thailand, so you can do things like this because everyone else does. Why can't I? I think it's up here. It doesn't look like it's up here. I mean, basically rice is the same as corn, or well, the same sort of thing, you know. It grows as grass, and then when it's long enough, like it is now, it turns yellow as it starts dying off, and then they harvest it. You know, you can ride around for hours and hours, right? No cars, right? Riding around for hours and hours, and then you stop, and there's a car comes. It's incredible. How's my hair? It's alright. It's good. I'm standing by these rice fields. You got rice there, and you got rice there. And this is just about to be harvested. Maybe not this field here, but we've got crops over there that are going brown. You can see the tips of it go brown. You've got to be careful this because this ground's very, very soft. See, it grows like this, and this is rice. This is just rice, and it is actually ready. Look, it's crumbling off. So what they do is they get a machine that takes all this rice off. Isn't that amazing, eh? I hope I can get the machine, get the video of the machine in action, because it's quite fascinating. I have actually seen one. Finances are pretty bloody shit at the minute, and I don't know what to do about it. I've invested in solar power, which I might have published the video now, I don't know. If you haven't seen the video, then I'll put a link below. If the video's not there, then it's not there because I haven't edited it yet. I put no headlights on it because the other ones were completely shit, and these are a lot better. But the only thing is, it's marked my beautiful job, so I'm going to have to redo this panel here. I'm also going back to 24S instead of 26S. I'm not going for the speed record anymore. I thought about it, but I didn't do it. Oh yeah, I've also changed the indicators. We've got these here now. I've had to buy 2 bulbs for this because these are incandescent lights and they get very, very hot. What's the point of having an electric bike with incandescent lights on it? The investment that I had in the UK, I've taken it out because I put it in 2 years ago and it's just gone back to positive equity. Is that the word? It was negative for a long time, for obviously nearly 2 years. I want to get a flower. It's probably deadly nightshade. I ain't got a clue what it is. I don't know what flower this is. The missus will tell me because she knows everything about everything. It does worry me sometimes. I won't say everything becomes same old, but you get used to it after a couple of years. You know, when you got bonfire night in the UK. Well, I used to be walking around then in bloody thick clothes and God knows what. And you know, I've forgotten what it's like to be cold. But the missus said to me the other day, she said, oh, it gets cold over here, it gets cold in Turin in sort of December, January, February time. I said, how cold? And she said, oh, about 12 degrees. And I was like, nah, that can't be right. Apparently it does go down to about 12 degrees, or it can do. She said it did do last year, it was 12 degrees overnight. So that's cold. So I've been in touch with my Chinese suppliers who tried to send me a diesel heater, and I said, send me a diesel heater please, because I will die in 12 degrees. I'm sorry, but I will just become an ice block. I know it's not cold enough, but I will become an ice block and I will die instantly. There are some things that I wish that I hadn't sold. There are some things that I wish that I had now. And my RC planes. So I built that whale, what's it, thing whale? And I actually looked at how much it would cost me to replace all that, and there's no way on the face of the earth I can afford it. I'm doing a lot of Arduino stuff. The thing is, you see, Arduino stuff, it's all sitting inside. I need to stop doing what I was doing in the UK, which was basically living a life of a hermit. I couldn't go out on my electric bike because I couldn't. I had to go over it was stored at my mum's house. So every time I wanted to go out on it, I had to go all the way over to bloody Stafford, and then I could go out for a ride on it. I don't want to get back into that situation, but the thing is, what else do I do? I've got a hobby, and my hobby at the minute is Arduino stuff, which is bloody cheap. I bought a Waveshare 7-inch screen, which is an ESP32S3, and I'm connecting it to Home Assistant, which is basically what my solar panels are all connected to. They're all linked to Home Assistant, so I can see at any time of the day what they're actually using, what electricity is going through where and everything else. Now, not only that, but because I've got a JK-BMS coming for the bike, I can link that to Home Assistant, so I can see how much electricity I'm using on the bike, how much it's costing to charge it. Well, it won't cost anything to charge it because it's solar. You know, I've got a buffalo staring at me, but you can't see it. It's a long way away. The one thing that you've got to be mindful of when you retire over here, it becomes, or it can become, very boring. So what you've got to do, you've got to get yourself a hobby. You cannot, I don't think you could live here without a hobby. Because if you ain't got a hobby, what else will you do? And I think this is where people fall down a lot, is they just start bloody drinking because there's nothing else to do. And then you become an alcoholic, and then your life's over basically. Luckily, I don't really enjoy drinking. I haven't got pissed for 3 days now, so I don't drink. I don't enjoy it. I like nice food. That's what I like, and the food the missus cooks. I've got some shit in that lens again. If I get enough money, I'll be doing radio control stuff again, because the thermals that you get here are absolutely ridiculous. You can feel when you go into a hot pocket of air, you know when you've gone into that hot pocket. When you're riding around, you know you've gone into that hot pocket. I'm going to go for a ride around the city because I can. Chance in a million, right? We've just come here, stopped at the same place, right? I put it there. Huh? Me? No. I put that there. I came here an hour ago. I got in there and I picked it and I left it there. That's the one you picked up that I picked up. What are the chances of that? It's just the same one. Same. I went there. I got rice. I've got video evidence.
Lord Mark.
It's not.
Not now.
Yeah.
ตอนนี้เย็นปกติคือร้อนมาก
No. I remember December. There's got to be a song about that. I remember December was used to be cold. I picked you flower.
Huh?
I found a flower. No, they were better than that. I think it wasn't. It was probably shit. I'm a bloke. I ain't got a clue. These are daisies. I don't even know what that is. What is it? What is it? Can I eat it?
No.
It's been here a long time. Long time. No, well, I think it was finished, but I think it's collapsed. I buy 2,000. 2,000. No more. It's just manic. Come on. We're going to take you home. We take you home, you little. Look, he's only this big. Look at all this. Just rice as far as you can see. Coconut. They're lemons. They're not cherries. Not like I know cherries. They're more like apples. This is proper rural Thailand. A pomegranate tree. Oh no, I don't like this dog either. It's alright. It's okay.